Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Kaissa. I'll be sharing you with another video, and this video is food. Yes, and it is chicken afritada, a popular dish from the Philippines. Yes, this is Filipino food. What can I say from the Philippines? Whoa, too much information. Keep on watching for more. This is my childhood food, and I'm going to share with you. The only difference is that this is oil free. I grabbed this recipe from Sweet Simple Vegan. This is from Miss Jasmine, so thank you, Jasmine, for sharing this out to the public, because once I found out, I was like, yep, I'm taking this, but making this oil free, because my gut is very sensitive and I can't consume oil. I try varieties of oil, but guess what, I break out big time and it's not beautiful to me. So oh well, it is what it is. And next clip I'm going to show you what to not do and to do. So here is the bay leaves. Bay leaves, which you'll be doing, put down below the potato and carrot with the whole black pepper. Yep. So it absorbs more and sucks in the flavor. You want it to rest and sleep. And don't be like me. Miss Kaissa had cooked this with red bell pepper first with the onion and garlic. What happened is that it tends to fade out the flavor once one is done. And guess what? It didn't turn out as great, so it wasn't really that accurate. But I still ate it. Promise I did. So don't be like me. This is a clip of mistakes and just sharing with you guys to not do. Anyways, okay. The next up, here it goes. Chickenless. This is a vegan. You can find it only in Trader Joe's. Huge transformation right here. If you like chicken, it will make your soy curls, tofu, whatever protein would taste like chicken. So this is a clip of soy curls that I already have boiled in. I just sprinkle on the top, and there you go. For the garlic, in advance, so you know, make sure that it's long and thick, so with great flavor. And Filipino people, hey, we like garlic. Yeah. And as you can see from here, quick view how you're supposed to do with your tofu. If you're gonna cook with tofu, just in advance, just sprinkle on top and mix it around. Once you are ready, and gonna start up from here. Assemble all your plates. I already have it chopped nice. Open it up so I could just boom 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 and go, cause yo, you gotta use your time wise. Just a quick reminder, cause I thought I kind of forgot, and Kaissa, I attempt to. So next clip. Another one, clip. Here's potatoes and carrots. Right below is the bay leaves with the whole black pepper. Once it's boiled, put the tofu, and next clip would be tomato sauce. You're gonna pour it on top. Make sure you mix it all nice and well. And reminder once again, the bay leaves should be still below. It'll be red bell pepper with garlic and onion. Once it's boiled, once again, you're gonna sprinkle some fresh if you want, black pepper, fancy. Spread some cilantro, and yeah, all those good stuff. And for us, my familia, all my friends, guess what? We as Filipino, we can't live without rice. So yes, we eat with rice. Yeah. So here's a clip right here. The final product. And if you don't like rice, well, guess what? There's another option. If you don't like rice, here it goes. You're gonna get some noodles. And there's some people who like noodles, so I was like, so here we go, some noodles it is. If you got no rice, hey, what other option do you have? So there you go, folks. Thank you guys for watching. Give a like and comment down below if you have tried this. Well, let me know. I want to know if you guys have tried it. Come on. And there you go. And next clip, the next video is gonna be me sharing you some new fitness workout. So hopefully you like it. Once again, this is Kaissa. Give a thanks to Miss Jasmine, Sweet Simple Vegan.